The Odyssey is en route to New Romulus, where we hope to recruit the Vox Rihan Republic for the coming attack on Unity Starbase.
We are now approaching the Azure Nebula. The Day 1 system lies ahead.
Captain, I'm picking up a distress call approximately 800,000 kilometres to port. We're downloading the transmission. It has a Vox Rihan signature.
This is the Romulan warbird. We're under attack by the heavily damaged. We need assistance.
Coming into visual range of the distress call source, Captain.
Shields up, red alert.
A Borg sphere. So their offensive has already reached this sector.
It's firing at the warbird singularity drive. Very faint life signs on board, Captain.